If you're looking for Nigerian stocks that could potentially perform well in February 2026, then this video is for you. Nigeria's stock market has gone through massive changes over the past few years: currency reforms, inflation shocks, bank recapitalization, and renewed foreign investor interest. While some stocks struggled, others quietly positioned themselves for long-term growth. In this video, I'll break down 5 Nigerian stocks to consider buying in February 2026 based on fundamentals, sector strength, earnings potential, and market momentum. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's get straight into it. Stock number 1, MTN Nigeria Communications PLC, MTNN. The first stock to watch is MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria remains one of the most important companies on the Nigerian exchange. With over 80 million subscribers, MTN controls a huge share of Nigeria's telecom market. What makes MTN attractive heading into February 2026 is data growth. Voice revenue is slowing, but data usage keeps exploding. Streaming, mobile banking, remote work, and social media are driving demand. MTN has also expanded its 4G and 5G infrastructure, positioning the company for long-term digital growth. Another key factor is pricing power. Telecom operators have gradually adjusted tariffs to reflect inflation and FX realities, which improves revenue without significantly reducing demand. MTN also stands out as a dividend stock. If earnings remain stable, investors could benefit from both capital appreciation and dividend income in 2026. For investors looking for a large-cap, defensive stock with steady cash flow, MTN Nigeria is one to watch. Stock number 2, Dangote Cement PLC, Dang_Seam. Next on the list is Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement is Africa's largest cement producer and a cornerstone of Nigeria's industrial sector. Despite economic volatility, cement demand remains strong due to infrastructure projects, housing needs, and regional exports. What's especially important for 2026 is cost management and FX exposure. Dangote Cement has increased its use of alternative fuels and local raw materials, helping reduce production costs. The company also earns foreign revenue from exports across Africa, which provides some protection against naira weakness. Another advantage is pricing strength. Cement prices tend to adjust upward during inflationary periods, helping protect margins. Dangote Cement may not be a fast-moving growth stock, but it offers stability, scale, and long-term dominance. For investors building a balanced portfolio, this stock plays a defensive role. Stock number 3, Access Holdings PLC, ACCESS_Corp. Stock number 3 is Access. Nigeria's banking sector is entering a new phase driven by recapitalization requirements, higher interest rates, and increased regional expansion. Access has built a strong presence across Africa and beyond Nigeria, reducing its reliance on just one economy. This diversification helps stabilize earnings, especially during local economic slowdowns. Another major advantage is interest income. Higher interest rates generally boost bank earnings, especially for large institutions with strong loan books. Access Holdings is also known for dividend payouts, making it attractive to income-focused investors. While banking stocks carry regulatory and economic risks, Access stands out due to its size, geographic reach, and aggressive growth strategy. If Nigeria's financial sector performs well in 2026, Access Holdings is likely to be one of the beneficiaries. Stock number 4, Betaglass PLC, Betaglass. Stock number 4 is Betaglass. Betaglass might not be as popular as banks or telecom stocks, but it has quietly become one of the most impressive performers on the Nigerian exchange. The company specializes in glass packaging, serving beverage, food, and pharmaceutical companies. As consumer demand grows, packaging demand grows with it. What makes Betaglass attractive is pricing power and efficiency. The company has managed to pass higher costs onto customers while maintaining strong margins. Betaglass also benefits from limited competition and long-term contracts with major manufacturers, giving it predictable revenue. In recent years, the stock delivered strong gains, attracting institutional investors. While past performance doesn't guarantee future returns, momentum and fundamentals suggest Betaglass could remain relevant in 2026. For investors willing to look beyond popular names, Betaglass offers industrial exposure with growth potential. Stock number 5. Guinness Nigeria plc. Guinness. The fifth stock on this list is Guinness Nigeria. Guinness Nigeria has undergone a major turnaround. After years of losses and restructuring, the company returned to profitability driven by better cost control, improved product mix, and stronger pricing strategies. Consumer goods companies were among the best-performing stocks in recent years, and Guinness benefited from renewed investor confidence. Alcohol and beverage demand tends to remain resilient even during economic pressure. Guinness also owns some of Nigeria's strongest beverage brands, giving it long-term relevance. Another factor is corporate restructuring and strategic backing, which has helped stabilize operations and improve financial discipline. For investors looking for a consumer goods recovery play, Guinness Nigeria is worth watching closely in February 2026. Final thoughts. Portfolio strategy. To recap, the 5 Nigerian stocks to consider in February 2026 are MTN Nigeria, telecom dominance and data growth; Dangote Cement, industrial stability and scale; Access Holdings, banking growth and dividends; Betaglass, strong industrial momentum; Guinness Nigeria, consumer goods recovery play. Each of these stocks represents a different sector, helping you build a diversified portfolio rather than relying on one industry. Before investing, always check latest financial results, dividend announcements, market conditions, and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future stock breakdowns. Let me know in the comments, which Nigerian stock are you buying in 2026?